But today, first flight, Emirates, off to Dubai, and then I'm connecting to fly all the way back basically to Cairo, but to Oman. So it's 3.5 hours to Dubai and then 3.5 hours back this way to Amman, Jordan. All right, welcome to Oman, everyone. Let's go and suss out the streets, see if the Citadel's open. Let's go and see some sights here in Jordan. After 5 hours sleep and just a few hours in Amman, I quickly hit the streets, visited the Roman amphitheatre and the Citadel before zooming back to the airport to collect the rental car and get my first passenger, Chris. From there, I drove to Mount Nebo. Let's pick up the story here. Well, hello! We are here at Mount Nebo in Jordan, looking across to Israel in the distance.
The big one there, end of the valley.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Entrance fee, 3 Jordanian dinars, and they do not accept the Jordan pass. Why? Because this is a private organization that runs this here. So here we have Lake Tiberias and the Dead Sea. Well, hello from downtown Madaba. Wow, it's been a long time since I've been here. This is my third visit. First time was in 1999, then again in 2011, and now 2023. So good spacing between all visits. We're staying here at the Mosaic City Hotel. A great choice, I have to say, and very busy too. Heaps of foreigners have flocked in this afternoon. And it's a beautiful evening here in Madaba. It's a lot cooler than in Egypt, I have to say. Lots of knickknacks in there. Hello guys, how are you? Are you good?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you. And even in downtown Madaba, we can see here, there is just so much to see here. So much to see. This area was a real hub, a biblical hub, a religious hub back in the day. And it's really got some charm these days. Oh, that's a nice looking restaurant. Very nice. Good Jordanian food, indeed. And more knickknacks. Little street market here. Lovely. Madaba's come ahead a bit. Let's check out some of these mosaics. Hello, madam. That looks great.
Yes, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. I love Madaba.
We love Madaba, Madaba love you. Where are you from?
New Zealand.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
It's all mosaic, our own production. We make them ourselves.
You do, yeah.
Do you know how it's made?
Uh,
No, you know how we make them?
Not really.
First thing, we make the design over a piece of cloth like this
Yeah.
one. We draw the designs.
Oh, okay.
Then we start preparing the stones. Then we start cutting the stones by hand,
Yep.
one by one. We glue them over the design using soft glue, temporary one. After it's done, this will be the back side of the piece. We bring a frame, we put white cement and sand, and we flip the piece into the cement. We press it, put some water, and peel off the cloth.
Very
After
clever.
it's dry, we clean it, and it will be done. In the old days, this is the old technique, the Byzantine technique for making the mosaics. As you see, we put now plywood in the back.
Yep.
And then we place the cement and we stick the stones directly into the cement. This is how they made the old mosaics, the old floor
But they must
mosaics.
have had a design at the side that were
Yes,
following.
of course, ma'am. Yes, of course.
Fantastic. So they basically had a drawing and they were looking at that drawing
Yes.
as they were doing it.
Yes, exactly.
Fantastic. The shading of the skin to give a 3D look is really good.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
This
really
is
clever.
the art of mosaic.
Yeah.
And it is especially for this town, Madaba. It's
Yeah.
recognized by the UNESCO as a creative city in the art of mosaics. So the
Fantastic.
stones are 95% natural colored stones, come from all around Jordan. We say 95%, some certain colors we cannot find in nature, we integrate porcelain, like this bluish. We integrate porcelain. But because the stones come from all around Jordan.
Fantastic, eh? You could spend some good time here in Madaba. It's a very interesting place.
And the mosaics and the... It's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a real cultural highlight.
Yeah, it is. It's a show.
Hello, sir. It's a real It's a real cultural highlight.
It's fantastic. Beautiful. Blue here.
Yeah.
Oh, someone probably works here during the day.
Yeah, no doubt. Fantastic.
Oh, gorgeous. So vibrant colours.
Yeah, it's a real little treasure, Madaba. Indeed, Madaba's a treasure. Do not come to Jordan and miss Madaba. Totally recommend you visit here. It's one of the best places in all of Jordan, and it's only 30 k's out of Amman. You could come on a day trip if you really wanted. As we've come into this local Jordanian restaurant and they're treating us wonderfully. We've got hummus, beautiful hummus he's just whipped up, fresh falafels cooked, still hot, salad and pickles. We've got a little pile of bread each. What do you think, Chris?
Perfect. Just what I feel like. Amazing.
Fantastic. So you can come into these little roadside street stall shops.
Hi, welcome to Jordan.
And thank you. We're having a great time.
I'm from in Egypt.
Are you? We just came from Egypt.
Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome to Egypt and Jordan.
Thank you so much. Wonderful countries.
Merci.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, so let's hook in and see how this hummus is, eh? I've got some beautiful Jordanian hummus here. Let's give it a whirl.
I'm loading up the video.
Mmm, that is creamy. That is good. G-O-O-D, good.
What's this? Look. Beautiful colour on there.
Mmm, purple.
What it is.
Some spice.
Some spice.
Mmm. Okay, happiness.
Happiness is a
Give it a
falafel.
bite, Chris.
Yeah. Bread's good too.
Yeah, the bread's nice, isn't it? Nice to have some soft bread for a change. All right, guys, we'll sum up when we're done. We got to chow down. We're hard-working girls.
Chow down.
Right. Well, guys, that was a fabulous meal. More than you could want. We couldn't eat all the salad. Left a little bit of bread, a little bit of hummus. But Chris,
Yeah, great. Falafels were the best I've had probably for ages. Soft in the middle, crispy on the outside, and the hummus was just fabulous. Fabulous.
the creamy hummus, eh?
Work
It was
of art.
really good.
Yeah.
It was fantastic, and the salad was nice too. Just a bit much. All right, let's see how much it was.
Yeah.
Hello, boss. How much was the meal? Four. 4 dinar.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. That's awesome. That's awesome.
TikTok?
No, YouTube. All right, guys. So that was just 4 dinar. Can you believe it?
Falafel
Fantastic. Yes. Very good. Very good.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. This falafel?
Oh, you're gonna make some.
Yes.
Show me how.
Don't worry.
Look at those dropping out there. That's so cute. Oh, pulsating.
Yes. Did you Hassan?
I need one of these. Original.
Good.
Good. The best. What's the name?
Lurina. Lurina.
Lorena.
Yes.
Oh,
The
Lorena.
best Lurina.
Is that your girlfriend?
Falafel the best.
Lorena's very good.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. All right, guys. Madaba. What a great place. When you come to Jordan, drop by. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Where? Girls on the Loose.
On the loose.